This is the Quick Start video tutorial that explains, with minimal explanations, how you can add a new time log record for a sales task activity in the Time to Money database. For the Quick Start version of a task non-sales activity, select the Quick Start Task Non-Sales Activity video. For an expanded version of this tutorial, with more in-depth explanations, navigation, and displaying confirmation information, select the expanded Add Task Sales Activity Time Log Database video. Time to Money provides the list of all users in your company for whom you have been empowered in your user database to enter actual work hours. For this demo, I select Luigi Peluso. Section 1 controls the structure of your time log session. The confirmation activation, and we see the choices here, when set to yes, displays all of the confirmation information for each of the choices you select in a gray color. Confirmation information cannot be changed during a run, only later by changing the database in which it is stored. The default settings from a user database is no, and I will leave this setting for the demo. Let me just scroll down to the next choice. The next choice allows you to view or download the script of one of the videos for adding a new time log record, and we can see them here, or one of the reports you can select to generate after this run. As we can see, each of these videos has two versions: the Quick Start version, which describes only the template and the report, or the expanded version, which also explains navigation and confirmation information. The last pull-down menu in the Structure section controls whether or not to display the logic in the logic database that determines the data that will be checked for validity in this time log session. For this demo, I'm going to select no to not display these logic choices. As a result of the choices that are in the user database, no logic checks will be carried out for this time log session. Section 2 controls messages and reports to be displayed. For this demo, I select with messages to hide or show. I'm going to leave this as hide all comments. For do you want to add another record after adding this record, I'm going to select no. And select time log report choice, I'm going to select time log records report. Section 3 is where you select the date on which the work was done. The calendar, as we can see, starts on April 1st, 2015, and that day of the week is a Wednesday, displayed as confirmation. For this demo, I'm going to select May the 30th, 2015. Which, as we can see, is a Saturday. Section 4 is where you select the type of work activity to be reported. And for this demo, I select Task Sales Activity. With the following 4 sections, you will select the client, the opportunity, the stage, and the task for this time log record. You can only enter a single record with a single task before submitting this task record to your time log database and starting out on a new record. Time to Money displays a pull-down menu initially with a list of all of your clients who have active opportunities with at least one incomplete task. For this demo, I select the Blackstone Group. Time to Money then displays a pull-down menu with a list of all of your opportunities with at least one incomplete task for this selected client. For this demo, I select Performance Improvements for Portfolio Companies. Time to Money displays a pull-down menu with a list of all of your stages for the selected opportunity with at least one incomplete task for this selected client. For this demo, I select 1, Determine Client Needs. And finally, Time to Money displays a pull-down menu with a list of all your incomplete tasks for this selected stage, opportunity, and client. And for this demo, I select 2, Meet with Prospect Client. Time to Money displays, for information purposes only, the number of hours planned to complete this task in the ideal sales cycle for this opportunity. Section 12 is where you enter the actual number of hours that you worked on this specific task sales activity on the selected date. For this demo, I enter 2 hours. Section 14 is where you select the estimated % completion of this task after the entered hours worked. Time to Money displays, initially, for information purposes, the following values in the task database prior to these additional work hours: the task % complete, and the estimated number of hours remaining to complete this task. For this demo, I select 85%. And we can see that Time to Money recalculates, for information purposes only again, the revised value after these additional work hours. This completes the data entry for recording a specific task sales activity. To enter this record in your TimeLog database and activate the selected report, if any, click on the Submit button at the bottom of the screen. Time to Money displays the selected report module in a new tab. And you can scroll down and you can see that and confirm that the new record has been added in your TimeLog database. Scroll back up to the top. You can get a PDF copy of this report by clicking on the PDF button in the right-hand corner of all Time to Money screens. You can log out from the Time to Money solution when you have completed your session by clicking on the Sign Out menu item in the upper right-hand corner of all Time to Money screens. And when you have completed reviewing the selected report, to continue this session, scroll up to the new tab and click on the return arrow to return to the selected workflow. In this demo, you would be returned to the TimeLog template to add additional records. This completes the Quick Start video demonstrating how you can add a new TimeLog record for a sales task, sales activity in the Time to Money database.